wasn't a question of whether or not we should rebuild or not rebuild the hospital. It was a question of, will there be a San Francisco General Hospital? Because of SB 1953, it required us to build a new hospital or not be in business, in that business at all. So the choice was, are we going to provide this service or not?
I think it's an amazing project. It's not just about a construction project. It's about the hopes, the dreams, the feelings of the entire county, because it was approved by unanimously, by all the voters.
I'm also a San Franciscan, and I voted yes for it. It's because of the services that are rendered at San Francisco General Hospital. We treat people here that can't get medical care anywhere else, and it's extremely important to be able to have somewhere to go when you're sick.
It's a facility that everyone in the city, regardless whether you live in a neighborhood or not, absolutely needs. And any upgrade done to the hospital is fantastic.
What I think about is that we do need to upgrade the hospital, and it's be more positive for our community and the residents and most of the needy people that's in need.
The SFGH rebuild has been a community-driven process from numerous community advisory members to sessions for input. It has been from the very beginning and continues to be, and we look forward to having a hospital that reflects all of San Francisco.
I've been here 20 years, and the thought of having a new hospital, a new facility to serve the population of San Francisco General is very exciting to me.
More convenient space and more services, and I think that is a great asset to this community.
It's a great project. I think that SFGH should expand.
We have a new hospital with new equipment. It's good.
I think it's going to have 4
floors? Okay.
But I'm not sure.
How tall? I think it's going to be 7 floors.
Off count, off head, maybe 10.
4 or 6 floors.
I hope it has at least 6 to 8 floors.
It's going to be 2 stories down, 7 stories up.
Healthcare is changing in this country. The Affordable Care Act is changing the ballgame. We have the opportunity to really reform healthcare, and it's coinciding with the building of this hospital. And this building is now more than just an edifice. I think it is actually symbolic of the transformation of healthcare here in San Francisco and nationwide.
It's been incredibly helpful in helping me, through the Healthy San Francisco program to get treated. Otherwise, I wouldn't be.
It's really one of the best hospitals in the United States.
Overall, it's a good place. They're doing good by me.
I think it'll be built by 2013.
Say 2014.
Isn't it like 2015 or something?
The opening on 2012?
2015.
Probably between 7 years.
I guess it's 2014, yeah.
2014, 2015, something like that.
A year and a half after everyone's best estimate.
Before I retire.
Today, I heard 2013, and I also heard 2015, so I'm going to go with 2015.